bring your money address near the speaker. Money address near the speaker. Try your babe, your personal babe, no use condom. Now you fit take dey test your ability whether you be man or because you see skin to skin. Skin to skin. My brother say, come make I tell you, before you go run enter inside house, come outside like 10 times. You don't vomit to try let your brother get used to toto water because when you don't get wife, you no go fit dey do the work. For the way Agbele dey sleep every day, you no get sense. See, just try make sure say your brother dey used to toto water now. Get why you condom dey hide many things. True to God. Sure. You go do the work now. You can go do the work now. So you do the work, finish now. You say your wife feel that your wife not feel like just put face, your wife just sleep to the break, your wife just dey think. Not like what they tell you because your body today hot. If you tell you now, you call it verse. A verse up and down. But the woman wants something, you not run her finish, you not run her complete. Yeah, so that's not what it was. Remember that when I tell you that time, the thing just distress me. Nothing distress you. See, I thought I could fire you. Nothing distress you. And because they take you on our way, you not plan them.